Welcome to this tutorial on how to access your Webull tax documents. If you are an investor using the Webull platform, you know how important it is to keep track of your tax documents for filing your returns. In this video, I will walk you through the steps to easily access these documents. First, start by opening the Webull app on your mobile device or go to the Webull website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. On the home screen, look for the account or menu option, usually located at the bottom of the screen on mobile or in the top right corner on the web. Tap or click on it to enter your account settings. Next, locate the Documents section. This may be labeled differently depending on whether you are using the app or the website. In this section, you should see various documents related to your account, including your tax documents. We'll look for a link that says something like Tax Documents or Year-End Tax Reports. Click on this link to view and download your tax documents. Finally, select the tax year you need the documents for and download them. They will usually be in PDF format, which you can easily print or save for your records. If you have any issues finding your tax documents or if they are not available, consider reaching out to Webull's customer support for assistance. Thank you for watching this tutorial and happy investing.